Hi there, welcome to Lybra's Tuesday Tips. My name is Sheetal Sujan, and today I will be sharing a tip on customer service. Today's tip is ask for feedback. This means asking feedback from your clients. How do your clients feel about your products and services? What do they think about it? What is it that you're offering that they absolutely love? What are some things that you're offering that they don't really like? What about the way you serve them? What about the way your employees serve them? Ask and ask and ask if you are doing things to their satisfactory. Now, I know clients can be really critical, but that's a really good thing because the more critical they are, the more you improve, the better you do. The more you're going to look for ways to enhance the customer service experience that they have when they are working with you. What can you do better? Be sure to be listening to them. What are some products that they absolutely love that you can bring more of? What services have really helped them? What are some things that they really don't like? What are some things they want more of? Start asking those questions and start listening, and make sure that it's not just the product and service, but also how you are with them, how you speak to them, how they feel with their interaction with you. It's so important that we know our clients well and that we're able to ask them these questions. And if they're not ready to ask those questions, ask them to fill out an evaluation, which can be anonymous, or have a box at your location where they can write things down and give you feedback. The more you pay attention to this feedback and the more you're able to implement it, the more you grow as an organization. So be sure to listen to your customers. Find out how you are doing as a service provider or as someone who has products that you think would be good for them. But let me tell you, they're the ones who can tell you if this is indeed what they want and if they're having a great experience with you and your organization. So be sure to ask for that feedback. Until the next tip, bye-bye.